A Hisense TV screen flickering with flashing lines or a dark and unstable display can quickly become frustrating. The solution depends on whether the screen is visible or the TV settings can't be accessed at all. In this video, I will show you the correct fixes for both situations, so follow the part that matches your TV problem. If your Hisense TV screen is black, badly flickering, or you can't open the menu at all, start with a basic power reset. Turn the TV off and unplug it from the wall outlet. Leave it unplugged for 1 to 5 minutes. After that, plug the TV directly into the wall, not into a power strip. Then turn it back on and check if the screen comes back to normal. If the screen is still not visible, the next thing to do is a power drain. Unplug the TV again and find the physical power button on the TV itself. This button can be on the front, back, or under the TV. Press and hold that button for 30 to 60 seconds. Once done, plug the TV back into the wall and turn it on to see if the flickering or black screen is fixed. If that doesn't help, check the power source. Try plugging the TV into a different wall outlet. Make sure you are not using extension cords or surge protectors. If needed, you can also reset the circuit breaker that controls the power to the TV socket. Then turn the TV back on and check the screen. Next, remove all HDMI cables and any other external devices connected to the TV. Turn the TV on with nothing plugged into it. If the flickering stops, this means the issue is coming from an HDMI cable or a connected device. Replace the HDMI cable and try using a different HDMI port on the TV. If your Hisense TV has a physical reset pinhole, you can try that as well. Find the small hole labeled Reset, straighten a paper clip, and gently press and hold the button inside for about 15 seconds until the TV restarts. Wait for the TV to reboot completely, then check if the screen issue is gone. If you can see the menu on your Hisense TV but the screen is flickering or flashing, there are a few settings you can change to fix this. Start by resetting the picture settings. Press the home button on your remote, go to Settings, then Device Preferences, and open Picture. From there, reset the picture settings back to default. After resetting, make sure the brightness is not set too high or too low, and try switching between different picture modes to see if the flickering stops. Next, turn off some picture features that can cause screen flickering. Go back into the picture settings and disable Ultra Smooth Motion and Clear Motion. If your TV has an ambient light sensor, turn that off as well. These features can sometimes make the picture unstable, and turning them off often helps fix flashing or flickering issues. If the problem is still there, use the TV's built-in picture test. Open Settings, go to Support, then Self-Diagnosis, and run the picture test. Follow the instructions shown on the screen. This test helps the TV check for display problems and can give a better idea of what is causing the issue. After that, make sure the TV software is up to date. Go to Settings, then Support, and open System Update. Check for updates manually and install any update that is available. If there is an option for Auto Firmware Update, turn it on. Once the update finishes, restart the TV and check the screen again. If nothing works, the last thing you can try is a factory reset. Keep in mind this will remove all apps and personal settings. Go to Settings, then Support, and choose Reset or Self-Diagnosis and Reset. Follow the on-screen steps to complete the reset, set the TV up again, and then check if the flickering issue is fixed. That's it for this video on fixing a Hisense TV screen flickering issue. I hope these step-by-step fixes helped you get your TV screen back to normal. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful TV and tech tips. If any of these fixes worked for you or you have a question, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.